right then, Mr. $5 cigar. Let's see, be nice to Old School today. We got 10 spins, $10 to spin. Be nice. Here we go. Come on. 7. Oh, that 2 times would have been nice. 5 times. Ooh. 25 times cherries. That would have been pretty sweet. $2,500, sweet. Come on, blank. Let's do it. Come on, cigar. Let's be nice. 2 more spins. Not very nice. Last spin, miracle. Not this time, Mr. Cigar. You got me. All right there, Triple Diamond. You got it in you for me? How about 2 triples on the line with a double bar? That'd be nice. Let's do it. Here we go. Thought I was getting it right there. First spin magic. Come on, Triple Diamond. Don't be stingy now. Thank you. Almost even. See those triples on the line, please. Thank you. Back to even. Oh, let's get a back-to-back line hit. All right, last spin, miracle? Not this time. You got me, Triple Diamond. Cheers, eh? Thanks for watching. All right there, triple double, red, white, and blue. $5 a spin, $15 max spin. Let's see if 6+ spins would be nice to Old School today. Here we go. Come on. Oh, would have been sweet with a triple there. Thank you, double. Come on. Thank you. $75. I would have taken that. Ooh, would have been so sweet. Come on. Ooh, triple. You're late to the party there. All right, one more 2-credit spin. All right, more life. $50. 3 more spins. Come on. All right, last spin. Not doing a $5 spin. And a little more life. All right, 2 more spins now. Here we go. Ooh. Last spin now. Not this time. You got me. Taking that $5 out and moving on. Cheers all. Thanks for watching. All right there, Mr. Triple Cash. Let's see if 10 spins, $10 a spin, can't do something nice for Old School. Here we go. Come on. Let's see those triple cashes. Thank you, Blank. Money back. And again. See those triple cashes. Bring your friends. Get on the line. 7. No, triple cash there would have been nice. Come on now. 2 more spins. Last spin. Not this time, triple cash. You got me. Cheers all. All right, 3, 4, 5 times. Good old Wheel of Fortune. Let's see if 10 spins can't bring a spin for Old School and be nice when you're usually not nice. Here we go. Come on, spin. Let's do it. Please, for once. Come on now, halfway through. Haven't even seen the spin. Money back. Finally, there you are. You gonna come on the last spin for me, please? You're late now, and you got me, yet again, Wheel of Fortune. Cheers all, thanks for watching this punishment. Little double red, white, and blue. $5 version, $10 a spin. Let's see if 10 spins can't be nice to Old School today. Here we go. Come on. Oh, tease, thank you for that tease. Thanks for doing it again with the mix bar. And again with the double. Come on. Please. Thank you, Blank. Money back. Oh. Last spin. Miracle? Not this time. You got me. Cheers all. All right there. Triple, double, red, white, and blue. We're giving you a shot. Someone just hit on you for 600. I'm gonna do 10 spins at $10 a spin. And maybe this machine is hitting like I've seen in the past, just not for me. So let's see what happens. 10 spins, here we go. Be nice. For once. Come on now, you could have joined the party. Halfway through. Double blue. All right, last spin. Here we go. Not this time. Triple double, red, white, and blue yet again. Sorry to all my fans that love this game. It's just not loving me ever. Cheers, all. Wow. What's that been? 7 machines, 7 losses. All those red, white, and blues. Wheel of Fortune. Well, we know Wheel of Fortune I'm always bad at anyway. I got $300 left in my bankroll for today. So, gonna try some of the Old Faithful machines and maybe something a little different that I haven't won on. Double Diamond Deluxe. Come on, Double Diamond Deluxe. We got 10 spins. $10 a spin. You know, I'll be happy winning like $500 and leaving down a few hundred rather than 800 after this. But let's see what 10 spins can do, and if it'll be nice to old school today and break that trend. Here we go. Come on. Not looking nice. You too, Double Diamond Deluxe? Not even a line hit, huh? Last spin. Ouch. A2, Double Diamond Deluxe. Cheers, all. 2 more shots. All right there, Chainsaws and Toasters. Let's put in 100. All right. Double Diamond Deluxe didn't have any savior action. Maybe you will. Out of the norm. And if it doesn't work here, might go over to Haywire for 10 spins. But let's see if 10 spins, $10 a spin at Chainsaws and Toasters will redeem this day and not be down 900 after this. All right, guys, here we go. Cherry to start, thank you. Two 5 times would have been awesome. Come on. But nothing. Come on. Everybody thinks I'm going to hit big on this machine, including me. So let's do it. Come on. No handle. Come on now. 3 more spins. Gonna come down, join the party. Last spin, miracle. It is just one of those days, guys. One more shot. $1,000 at hand. Cheers. All right there, Mr. Haywire. You're my last hope. Walk away from here without any money. Down 1,000, I think. Or thereabouts. So hopefully, 10 spins, $10 a spin. $500, I'll be happy. Cut my losses. But let's think jackpot. Here we go, guys. Come on, Haywire, be the savior. Come on. One more time with the handle. Maybe one more. All right, come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. All set, thank you. Oh, join the party. 8 grand happy. Can I get a line hit on you, please? Sugar on top. Last spin, miracle. Thank you. Back to even. Was ready for my outro right there saying thanks for watching, guys, but we got 10 more spins. Let's do it. Was that a start or something? I hope so. Come on. Let's give a handle shot. One more. Bring those up. Come on, Mr. Haywire. Let's do it. Oh, right there, $1,000. Okay. And the last spin. Miracle. That's the way it goes, guys, sometimes. Sometimes you can't do anything but win, and sometimes you can't do anything but lose. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this action, even though it stank today. But I appreciate you all watching, and I will bring you more action real soon. Cheers. Nice. Thank you.